Welcome back to SendMailer Pro. In the previous tutorials, we added a sending account, created a contact list, and built an email template. Now we'll combine those elements into a campaign, preview and test the message, and then send it immediately or schedule it for later. The campaigns page is your central workspace. The cards at the top show the total number of campaigns, scheduled campaigns, campaigns currently sending, completed campaigns, and the overall success rate. Use the status filters and search box to find a campaign. When you select one, the panel on the right shows its subject, template, contact list, sending accounts, timeline, and delivery results. Click New Campaign to open the 6-step campaign wizard. First, select the contact list that will receive the message. We'll use the standard customers list created in the contacts tutorial. Only active contacts in the selected list will receive emails. You can also click Show Contact List to review the recipients before continuing. Next, choose the email template. We'll use the customer update template from the previous tutorial. You can preview the template before continuing. If it contains merge fields that are missing from the selected contact list, SendMailer Pro displays a warning. Correct the list or template whenever possible, because missing values will appear empty in the final email. Now assign at least one sending account. Select an account that has already passed its connection test. When several accounts are added, drag them to set their priority. Normally, the first account is used and the others can take over if it exceeds the allowed number of errors. Enable each email is sent by another account only when you intentionally want to rotate accounts between messages. Attachments are optional. A static file is sent unchanged to every recipient. Dynamic PDF, Word, and text attachments are generated separately for each recipient and can include contact merge fields. PDF and Word attachments can also be protected with passwords stored in a contact list column. We'll skip attachments in this example. In campaign settings, enter a descriptive campaign name. This name is only used inside SendMailer Pro and is not shown to recipients. Next, enter the email subject. The subject supports merge fields from the selected contact list. Use the button next to the field to insert a value such as company. During sending, the placeholder will be replaced separately for each contact. Leave BCC empty unless you need a hidden copy of every individual email. Leave Use Plain Text Version off when you want to preserve the template's formatting, images, and layout. Enable it only for a text-only message. Keep Use Block List enabled so blocked addresses are skipped automatically. Normal priority is suitable for most campaigns. The interval is the delay between consecutive emails. Choose a value appropriate for your provider's sending limits. SendMailer Pro updates the estimated campaign duration automatically. Max errors controls how many consecutive sending failures an account can have before it is skipped for the current campaign. If another account is available, the program moves to that account. The final step summarizes the audience, active contact count, template, accounts, attachments, subject, block list setting, interval, and account rotation. Review everything carefully and click Finish. This saves the campaign as a draft. No emails are sent at this point. Before sending, select the campaign and click Preview. The preview shows the sender, recipient, BCC field, priority, resolved subject, message body, and attachments. Use the navigation buttons to inspect several contacts and confirm that all merge fields contain the correct values. Previewing does not send any email. Next, click Send Test. Select an active contact from the campaign's contact list. SendMailer Pro sends the test to that contact's actual email address, using their merge data and the first assigned sending account. For testing, choose a contact with an address you control. Check the subject, personalization, formatting, links, images, and attachments in the received message. When everything looks correct, click Send and confirm that you want to start. Before sending, SendMailer Pro performs an account pre-flight check. If an account requires reauthorization, you can fix it and run the check again. When at least one account is ready, start the campaign using the available accounts. During sending, the progress strip shows the number of successful and failed emails, the remaining recipients, sending speed, estimated time, current recipient, and active sending account. Click Pause when you need to stop safely. The campaign receives a paused status, and you can later select it and click Continue to resume from where it stopped. Instead of sending immediately, click Schedule and choose a date and time. The campaign receives a scheduled status. You can later reschedule it or remove the schedule. Scheduled sending is handled by the desktop application, so keep SendMailer Pro running and the computer awake when the campaign must start on time. After sending, the Details panel shows how many emails were sent, failed, or skipped, together with the success rate. Sending Logs provides details for each recipient and sending session. Report presents campaign statistics and error categories. When the latest session contains failures, retry failed sends only to the recipients whose messages failed. A successful send means the receiving mail server accepted the message. It does not guarantee inbox placement. That's it. You now know how to create a campaign, select its audience and content, configure sending options, preview and test the message, send it immediately or schedule it, and review the results in SendMailer Pro.